Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Saral Trader. So we are going to review the S&P 500 and some of the key charts that we are trading. So the first chart that we are going to look at is the S&P 500. So S&P 500, if you see, we had a massive rally which has started when the Trump won. So this rally started from this point, and then there was a very good vertical rally and we went from 5,750 to almost 5 6,050, almost 300 points move came in. And then there was a retracement. We were slowly and slowly going up, and then there was a massive correction, a corrective thing that came in. And even in that, there were a lot of long opportunities coming. And right now, if you look at it, we are currently trading. Bulls have again regained control in my opinion, and we are trading above a key pivot. Now, bulls need to maintain and keep trading above this level and for the further move. I am bullish, and those who follow me also know that on the smaller time frames, we were taking, we were long. We actually were long from this level itself on the top level, and then when the market corrected, we had our hedges, we rolled over our hedges, and with the rollover of the hedges, we have successfully come out of the trades in profits. And now we are kind of again we have re-entered with our hedges. This time I have taken hedges for a little bit longer time because I'm expecting that this move will have a longer duration, and so that's one thing. On the small cap index, if you see, on the small cap index also, this one is more volatile and takes a lot of time to consolidate. So we had a vertical rally in this also when Trump joined in the Trump rally, and then there was a correction. Now, in the correction, it almost gave a 10% correction. Now, in that 10% correction, after that, it completely goes into sideways move. This is a daily chart. Now, while this is looking a sideways move on the daily chart, there were a lot of very good trading opportunities that came up in the shorter time frame. If you look at the 2 hours chart, there were multiple opportunities during the, there was an opportunity here, which fizzled out. Then there was another opportunity. Then there was a downtrend opportunity. Now this one is currently running and it has given very good move. So in typical Saral system, what we do is that when we are taking a trade, we take the hedges with it because we are trading futures. It's leveraged product. We take the hedges, and in the case the trade goes against us, we stay in the game through our hedges and we roll over when the next opportunity comes. So this works very well. If you are trading futures, you it's a good rewarding kind of a move. Index futures do very well. They always give you, even when there is a correction like this one corrected 10%, the long-term positions that I have in the future, I just rolled over. So these are year-long positions that I have. I just roll over my hedges. Now, even in this narrow zone, which was 2200 on the downside, 2300 on the upside, 100 points move, there were multiple buying and selling opportunities. You can't catch the bottom, you can't take, but if you are buying, and you're hedging your exposure, you really get a lot of move. Right now, looking at the price actions, bulls are in full control now. And this is a major supply area now, and we also have Trump coming in the swearing in. So this might act, and we are just trading above a key pivot. So there is a lot of supply, and even on the last day, from the top, the small cap index sold off. Right. So let's see. I am bullish. This one is better to trade because the size is small. The S&P 500 futures, the mini future is a 50 lot. So the value, dollar value of MES futures is around 50, is 300K. So it's better to trade a small cap. The lot is 50 and the micro lots are also available. If you look at the crude oil, on crude oil, again, the move, if you look at the weekly charts, Saral one, there was a buy signal here. And look at this vertical rally we got. In fact, this one started from 70 and almost went 81. That was the whole target. I gave it to everyone on the video and also on the Twitter. So we got the full targets. Now this structure is showing that there is some lot of selling pressure coming in, and I have shorted the crude oil, and I am expecting the first target of 74. So if you are trading futures, you what you can do is if you look at the smaller structure, time frame structure, this one, the breakout level is acting as major support where all the buying is coming in. Once we break below this, we are straight away going to 74. That's my opinion. Of course, I'm not sure, anything can happen, but I have hedged my position. So even if I am wrong and the market suppose rallies and goes to 100, I will not lose then what I have planned for. Now, if you look at one of the ETFs that we have recently taken, this ETF trade is primarily in PAVE, which is called PAVE, is the US infrastructure ETF. So this ETF only has composition of a portfolio which is US infrastructure related company, construction company, or other infra companies which may be capital equipment suppliers or construction companies or infrastructure related companies. This one is giving bullish momentum. We have taken the trade. Now, with Trump coming in, it's expected that it will be good for these companies. So we are expecting to get around 3 to 4%. In this, we are already up 1%, and we will be taking our profits when the right time comes in. So this is a new trade that we have taken. In the older trades, if you look at the XLB, XLB is already in good profits for us. We started buying it at 90, then it kept falling. There was a very big, there was a dividend announcement that happened in it, and then it formed a base here. And from this candle, it's kind of started going up. Now it is already up, from 83, it's already trading at around 88. So we are already up around 5% on it from the bottom. We are in profits now. I'm expecting to get my full targets in this. It might take time, or if the market goes down, it has already reached a level where if it comes down again, we have to start buying this. So in this ETF system, you have to continuously keep buying if the parameters are met. So the XLB is profit. Then there is GNR. Now GNR is Global Natural Resources. We have got almost $1.37 per share as dividends already. So that is a dividend of around 2.5% that we have already got. And now again this one is started moving. It's again the position is almost at our break even. If the momentum continues, we will get our full target. So this one is doing very well for us. Another ETF that we have is EWM. This is the Malaysia Index, the country ETF. On the Malaysia Index interest front, we reached a key pivot. We have again bought it. This is our second tranche, and there is some bullish movement here. This one is still consolidating. It's possible that it keeps going up and we get our full targets, or it can consolidate for a while. Then we have on the futures side, crude oil we covered, XLB, and then on the ETF, on the stock side, we have taken a trade in NextEra Energy. Now, NextEra Energy is one of the leading large cap companies which provides the utility services. So this one is in a correction mode, and now once we entered it, there was another shakeout that was done by the bears, and after this shakeout, we have again started going up. So we have taken a positional trade in it, and these kind of trades continue for a while. And these kind of trades don't they can continue for months. So we are bullish right now. The pattern is good, so we'll continue to hold this position. Looking at Amazon, Amazon is in a after the breakout that Amazon gave. Amazon is completely going is sideways for now. and is able to maintain the breakout level. So this is it's kind of taking support at 215 and then taking resistance here. So I think most probably Amazon will break out of this zone and will start heading higher. That's my opinion. And if it comes back below in the 215 to 211 area, we may again initiate a trade in this. If you look at Google again, it had a breakout, made a new high, and then it's completely sideways, untradable territory. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. You will be trapped. Most probably, it is a consolidation. On the upper side, it looks like to my eyes, looks like it is an accumulation happening, and we'll break up. But anything can happen. I will not be touching this until there is some kind of a direction that it takes, either up or down. So that is Amazon, that is Google, and then if you look at Tesla, Tesla again, Tesla is in a range again, but for some time it's a very wide range, 373 to 430, and I think I'm just waiting for some kind of a news confirmation or some kind of a price action confirmation before we take a trade in this. All right, and then we booked profits in XLE. We got our 3.5% in XLE, so that was a very good thing. We had to average it a couple of times, but we got our full targets. Then we booked our full targets in XLV. XLV also we got around 3.5%. Then on UNH, so UNH was a counter trend trade. We started buying it. We bought it 2 or 3 times, and we got our full targets of 5% in it. Now again after the results, it's again in a drawdown and giving a sell signal. I will start buying this. I'm expecting that this one will come down, or it can. We don't know, but this is a very good entry point again for a counter trend trade. It was trading at 603, and the results were okay, and the projections that they have given are also okay. So we can again enter this. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, do let me know. You can follow us on Twitter, and you can also follow me, join my free Telegram channel for the research. Thank you. Bye.